Hello, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm about to make a fruit punch. So these are the ingredients that I will be using. I have some sorrel, this is sorrel, apple, this is the Jamaican apple. So I'm adding two apples. I'm adding one guava. Handful of plum, that's June plum, it's frozen, and some berries with blueberries, and then the last ingredient is ginger. So here is the punch. This is the amount I got from the ingredients I used. I did not add sugar. It is slightly sweet, but I didn't add sugar. So whoever wants sugar can add to their taste. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Hello, welcome back everyone. I thought the camera was on. It wasn't. So I'm making a vegetable juice. In here I've got collard greens, carrot, and ginger. So I have the leafy greens, carrot, and ginger. And then I'm adding some green powder. So in this green powder is I have moringa, wheatgrass, and spirulina powder. So I'm adding like a tablespoon of that. So it's just finished blending. So I'm going to strain it now to get the bits out, because I want it light, not thick. So the juice is now, I've strained it off. So see there, it's pretty green, and it is not sweet. So this is what I'm going to add for taste. Lime juice. This would be my... I don't need anything else. Just lime juice. That's it. Yes, I'm going to enjoy this. I'm sure by myself. Nobody's going to help me drink it.